In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Ticktick using Zapier, a platform that allows you to automate tasks between different apps. If you're looking to integrate these two productivity tools, you've come to the right place. This tutorial will guide you through, making the process smooth and easy, so let's dive in. First, head over to Zapier's website. If you're not familiar with Zapier, it's a service that automates tasks between a multitude of applications, helping you streamline your workflow efficiently. Once you're on the site, the next step is to click on the Create button. This is your entry point to setting up what Zapier calls a Zap. In simple terms, an automated task or workflow. After clicking Create, you'll be directed to a section labeled Zaps. This is where all the magic happens, setting up the connection between your chosen apps. Now what we need to do here is to set a trigger. A trigger is an event that starts a Zap. So go ahead and click on Trigger to get started with this setup. Next, you'll want to select Notion as your trigger app. Notion is a versatile tool that offers a multitude of functionalities, so it's beneficial to automate its functions with other apps you use like Ticktick. After selecting Notion, move on to the action section. The action is what happens after the trigger event. Here you type Ticktick and select it when it appears. Now Ticktick, just like Notion, is a fantastic app mainly used for task management, and you're about to connect the dots between these two apps. Once you've selected Ticktick, head back to Notion and specify the event you plan to trigger. For this example, you might choose New Comment as your trigger event. This means that every time a new comment is created in Notion, the task you've programmed will automatically execute in Ticktick. The next step is signing into your accounts, both in Notion and in Ticktick, through the Zapier platform. Click on Account and enter your credentials to establish the necessary connections Zapier needs to work its automated magic. Before concluding, it's always a good idea to run a test. Zapier offers a test button, which allows you to verify everything is set up correctly before going live with your automation. Run the test, and if everything checks out fine, it's time for the final step. Click on Publish. This will activate your Zap, and you'll now have a seamless flow between Notion and Ticktick. That wraps it up. You've now connected Notion to Ticktick effectively using Zapier, saving you time and enhancing your productivity. Make sure to explore and experiment with other applications through Zapier, as it can significantly change how you manage daily tasks. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.